What makes this 1985 Chevrolet C10 different from so many of the others you see on the road? That's a trick question. You can see that it has the classic square body look, a cab and a bed, but what you can't see is how many miles are on this one. A lot of C10s have been driven hundreds of thousands of miles and worked hard, but this truck has racked up only 156 miles in the last 41 years.
Grundy Insurance provides exceptional coverage for classic cars with unlimited mileage, no deductible, no depreciation, and agreed value protection. Family owned since 1947, their agents offer reliable coverage at competitive rates. Visit www.grundy.com for a quote today.
The first generation of GM's CK trucks ran from 1960 until 1966 and was replaced by the 1967 to 72 Action line. The CK's longest generation ran from 1973 until 1991, although the naming structure was changed to RV in 1987. Benefits included stronger frames, better visibility, a smoother ride, and roomier cabs with improved materials. This entire era of trucks was formerly known as the rounded line, but most people refer to any pickup from this time as a square body, for good reason.
Just look at this C10. It's no SSR. There are right angles everywhere. You've got the square badge, right angles on the headlights and the grille too. Chevy offered the 85 C10 with a V6 and a diesel option, but this one has its original LE9 5-liter gas V8. According to Chevy, it left the factory with 160 horsepower and 235 pound-feet of torque, which reaches the road through a 4-speed automatic in the rear wheels. You can really see how much of a square body this truck has when you see it from the side. Even the wheel arches are almost squared off. About the only round things on this C10 are its original Uniroyal tires, rally wheels, and its pair of exhaust outlets. Aside from the 156 miles on the odometer, the most obvious signs that this truck is pretty much factory fresh are the plastic wraps on the charcoal cloth bench seat and the carpeting down below. That Silverado badge on the right side of the dashboard means that this truck is loaded with comfort and convenience features. So it comes equipped with power locks and windows, cruise control, tilt steering column, power steering, power front disc brakes, and air conditioning. The numbers on the odometer don't lie. You can see how well preserved this truck is. The midnight black paint is still dark and glossy. The bright trim is nice and straight. Bed rails with wood grain inserts flank the bed, which doesn't seem to have a scratch on it. The taillights do wrap around the back end of the body, but those also have right angles at every corner. In between those is a broad strip of trim with, you guessed it, more right angles. From grille to tailgate, this is a square body. And this is the end of my tour of this super low mileage 1985 Chevrolet C10. If you placed the winning bid on this truck, what would you do with it? Would you keep the miles low to preserve its condition, or would you just take it out and enjoy it? Let me know in the comments below. And be sure to go ahead and like this video. And if you haven't already, please go ahead and subscribe to our channel so that you can see more of our coverage from Barrett-Jackson Auctions.
Hey guys, thank you so much for watching the video. Be sure to hit that like and subscribe button and comment down below your thoughts. We'd love to hear it. Remember guys, if you want to collect a car of your own, check out our website at classiccars.com, which is our online marketplace with over 30,000 listings live on the site. Also be sure to check out our sister website, autohunter.com, which is our 7-day online market. We'll see you guys in the next video.